China's 2025 Cadillac XT5 could preview Canadian spec. New images show off what an updated version of the luxury Sportuta will look like overseas, and possibly here. Author of the article, Driving. Cadillac has revised its initial decision to discontinue the XT5 crossover in North America. Yep, seems we're getting an updated version of the luxury sport utility after all. Rumors and reports had suggested the mid-size two-row premium SUV's days were numbered, but it seems as though the plans have changed. The current context of the evolving electric vehicle (EV) market and the enduring appeal of internal combustion vehicles are likely the reasons behind the reversal. Article content. The XT5, once expected to be a casualty of Cadillac's shift towards an all-electric lineup, finds itself back in the spotlight. The cooling of the EV market in late 2023 prompted a reassessment of General Motors' strategies. Consequently, the North American market might witness the arrival of the new iteration of the XT5, particularly one previewed by the 25 XT5 recently revealed via Chinese government docs. In terms of powertrain, the new Cadillac XT5, as set for the Chinese market, will feature a turbocharged 2.0L engine from GM's partner, SAIC, delivering an output of 227 horsepower. The specifics of the engine for the potential North American release remain under wraps. However, the existing turbocharged 235 horsepower 2.0L four-cylinder engine should return. As for the more powerful 3.6L V6 engine, we suspect it will be dropped in favor of GM's newer turbocharged 2.5L four-cylinder engine. The new second-generation XT5 looks to represent a clear evolution from its predecessor, seamlessly integrating itself into Cadillac's contemporary design ethos. One of the most noticeable updates is the adoption of boxier, more upright proportions not entirely unlike those of the XT6 and Escalade. The SUV will sport the increasingly popular thin headlights, positioned above a downsized grille. The sides of the XT5 reveal a more streamlined silhouette, accentuated by sleeker lines and new creases over the wheel arches. Size-wise, the next-generation XT5 has grown marginally, now measuring 4,888 mm, 192.4 inches, in length, or about 76 mm, 3 inches, larger overall. Much of this growth is expected to enhance cargo space and appeal to a wider customer base. This announcement is significant for Cadillac and General Motors as it shows that going all EV may not be the best plan at the moment.